Hey, welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I talk about all kinds of edible trees and fruits. And today I'm at a friend of mine's house and just got a grand tour, and I'm going to run through some of the things that are here. And here's one that's very interesting. This is a tree called the Tree of Life, apparently quite common in India. And I learned that, according to Dave, and he ate some leaves and I ate some too, that the whole tree is edible. The leaves are edible. It produces a type of seed pod which can be cooked and is edible. And apparently he's watched a video where they use the leaves to purify water. Apparently it also grows very easy from a cutting. Now, one thing, during Hurricane Matthew, all the leaves were blown off of it. It was completely leaf bare. Now this is about a month and a half after that hurricane, and it's regrown to this level. So very hardy. What I plan on doing is taking a cutting and get one going in my yard. Tree of Life. The flavor of it was very mild, somewhat sweet, kind of had a peppery aftertaste to it, the leaves did. I plan on really exploring the Tree of Life and also trying the water purification aspect of it. So I'm going to take a cutting off of this one and grow it in my yard. So there it is, the Tree of Life. If you like videos like this and would like to be notified as new ones come out, go ahead and subscribe to Eat Your Backyard. We are daily. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.